Hi, this is Jean from Jean's Home Decor and More. Welcome. Welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you have stopped back by my channel to check out what I'm up to. Thank you all for watching. Well, Valentine's Day will soon be here, and I wanted to share with you some Tablescape, Valentine's Day Tablescape inspiration if you plan on entertaining for Valentine's Day. I think this Valentine's Day Tablescape is simple and elegant. I've said that in previous videos. I like to set up tablescapes that are simple yet elegant, and I think that this table setting reflects that. So, what I have here for my centerpiece is I have two glass vases, and I set one vase into the center of the other. One is taller than the other, and in the wider vase, what I've done is I have set some white warm fairy lights all around the bottom. And I think it gives it a nice touch. In the taller vase, I have included pink and red roses with some greenery that I purchased from Amazon. I've also included some red hearts for table decor, and I thought they were kind of cute. What would Valentine's Day be without candlelight and champagne? So, to top it all off, what you see that I have here are roses for napkins. These are the same napkins that I used at Christmas time. I had them styled into the shape of a Christmas tree, and this time I have my napkins styled into the shape of a rose. And I think that just adds a nice, elegant touch. So if you stay tuned, after I finish filming this video, I'll attach a video and show you guys how I achieved the rose napkin look. I appreciate you all for stopping by my channel again, and I would love if you would please consider to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this. Let me know if you guys are entertaining for Valentine's Day. Okay, you all. Until the next time, peace and blessings. Bye-bye. Okay, you all. So this napkin is not pressed because I unrolled one of my little rose napkins that were on my tablescape. So it's a little disheveled, but we're going to work with it, okay? So this napkin is most likely like 20 by 20, I believe. I've had them so long I forget. But what you're going to do is you're going to take this napkin, you're going to fold it up into a triangle. Now, what you want to do is you want to leave some space. Don't fold it all the way to the top. Leave some space here, because as we begin to roll, we don't want this top part, this part here, to push over the top, because you know it will push up some, so we just don't want it to extend beyond this piece, this outer piece. So now what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to start rolling. We're going to roll up, And you can see I already have some rolls in it from when I did it before. So we're just gonna roll up. And then we're gonna leave about 3 inches here, okay? Now, what we're gonna do down at this end is we're gonna take this piece and we're gonna start to roll this way. And you gotta hold it and control it while you're rolling. Now this piece, this extended piece, we're gonna take this and we're gonna tuck this down into the piece that you just rolled. You can do it with your finger, but if you can't do it with your finger, you can take a knife to help you to push it down. So now you're gonna take these 2 pieces at the top and you're going to pull them down. And you're going to turn it over. And what you have here is a rose. You see that? Easy peasy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this type of thing, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the rose napkins. I would really like your feedback. All right, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.